and welcome to my video demo for SDI deliverable 5. So first thing I'm going to show you is if I go image, then load dataset, I can then find where my images are stored and click images, and then it will load all the images in that folder into the widget. I can then sort it ascending by file name, descending by file name, ascending by file date, or descending by file date considering when the file was last modified. So I'm going to go select one, so Yoda. I can then zoom it out and in using the scroll wheel to make it fit better to the canvas. I'm then going to load a class file, so we're going browse class, then classes, and there. And as you can see, those relate directly to the class file here. I can then add a class in here. So for example, let's go with dog and delete a class. So for example, sky, by doing this. And then if I open it up again and refresh it, you can see that it has mug, house and dog in it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is draw a shape. Shapes can only be drawn as long as they have between 3 and 9 sides. If I put an invalid size, so like 2, or say 12, it will come up with a red colour, which means it's invalid. So let's draw a 4-sided shape. So let's draw a 4-sided shape like so. Okay, so there's the 4-sided shape. So I'm going to save it. So I'm going to go to save, and I'm going to save it to my desktop, ensuring that it's got the .json file extension. So if I press save, then write it, I can then go into my .json file and reload it, and it will save the coordinates of the shapes drawn. I can then open up another image and then go into load annotation file, and then load JSON, and then it will load it with where the image was. So I'm going to delete that shape because it wasn't a very good shape for annotation. I'm also going to add the class I and then I'm going to label the mug and the eyes. So I'm going to draw a 5-sided shape for the eyes and go bonk, 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 bonk. I'm going to do the same again for the other eye. I guess it just needs to be a 4-sided shape. And then I'm going to do a 4-sided shape on the mug. Cool. I'm then going to insert a class. So to demonstrate that I can search for a class, let's say I'm looking for it. So I can sort ascending by file name, or descending by class name, or ascending by class name, which then orders it by alphabet. I can then go into this little thing here, this search box, and type in what I want to have, so I can then find it. I can then select it by clicking on it once and going insert class. It will then insert the class mug here. I'm then going to add the class I. So I'm just going to clear the search bar so it just refreshes it. I'm going to select I, insert class. I'm then going to get the I and move it to here. I'm then going to do the same with another one, and then I'm going to move it to here. So that then tells me where his eyes are, labels where his eyes are and where the mug is. Anything else? I think that's it.